All right, this is my newest piece of crap camper. I'm gonna redo it, but I just wanted to do the video of when I first got it home. So I just got it home. Looks beautiful. Wait till you see the inside. It's so nice. All right, let me see if I can get the inside video. Do the best I can. It's even got a screen door. Oh yeah, the inside is nice. No rafters. I think somebody had a hoarding problem. Okay, let's get in here. Yeah, looks good. I don't know why the ass of the camper was so heavy. There's no garbage in here. Yep. Looks great. Let's see what's behind this door. The toilet. It's nice. All right, I'm gonna see what I can do with this thing. And I'll keep you posted.